No. Hello, folks. This is Lewis and Lorraine from Accessing Health from sunny Kauai, and we're here to show you how to hook up a viaDNA Rife system with a single XM generator, a Spooky XM generator. So here you can see the general components. Over here in the back is a UPS. This is an optional element. We'll talk about this later. Here's the Dell Laptop that ships with the viaDNA Rife systems. This one's white. They also come gray, blue, and red. This is the power supply for the laptop. Over here we have the Spooky2 XM Generator, the power supply, and the USB cable. And then here are the specific viaDNA remote components, the remote itself, little BNC cable, and this is a new product that we've come out with, the Y splitter. And what the Y splitter does is it combines both outputs, output 1 and output 2 of any Spooky generator, to provide a greater degree of power and as well a better quality waveform out to the remote. All right, so we're going to start the process of hooking it all together. I'm going to go and I'm going to turn on the
You've
UPS.
already plugged it in.
Yeah, it's already plugged in the wall. I'm going to start it here. And there we go, 118 volts. And let me just say something about this particular UPS. In all honesty, this one's overkill for just a Rife system. This is a rather hefty model here. We have it here at home for our own Rife machines. We have two, and also for a printer and another computer. If all you wanted to do was have a UPS for just a Rife system, you can get a smaller capacity UPS than this one. This one in particular, we bought at Costco for $100, but you can get them for half that amount, $50, of a smaller capacity, which is more than enough for powering one of these Rife systems for a number of hours during a blackout. Okay?
And the costs are, and where do you get them?
Yeah, you can get them at Costco, Walmart, Ace Hardware, any one of these hardware stores. Amazon for sure. Amazon has a bunch of different models.
Okay.
Anyway, we recommended to go with a good brand. CyberPower or APC is the other good one. All right, so we're going to start by hooking up the remote. The remote's the first thing we connect, and it's the last thing we take off when we're tearing down a system. So we're going to grab the power supply for the XM generator, extend the cable here.
You said the remote. You're talking about the generator.
The generator, I'm
Yep.
sorry. The power supply for the generator.
Oh, okay.
And here, in the back of the UPS, and this particular model has two rows of outlets, surge only and surge and battery. The smaller UPSs might have 4 surge and battery and 1 surge only, but it doesn't matter. You're always going to connect any of these Rife components. You're going to power them from the surge and battery. So we're just going to use the top one here. I'm going to plug it in right there. We're going to go back to the generator. I'm going to pick up the cable here, and we're going to plug it into the side of the unit right here. Okay, and then we're going to turn it on. We're going to hear a little beep. In the video, this display might be flashing a little bit, and that's due to, that's a, oh no, it's not flashing. Okay, great.
It's upside down, but whatever.
Okay. All right.
It's lit up.
So now we're gonna connect power to the laptop. We're gonna grab the wall side of the cable, plug it into the power supply. Okay, and then we're gonna connect it to another one of these surge plus battery. This side over here. And now we're going to connect the little power connector into the side of the Dell. There we go. Yay. Okay. So now, let's open up the Dell. This Dell's in sleep mode. we're going to hit the enter key. We're at the welcome screen. We're going to hit the enter
There's
key.
another video for that part.
Yeah, for this part.
But just so you know. Yep.
All right, so we're going to put the pin. The pin is 7433, which is RIFE on a telephone pad. RIFE should be easy to remember.
I think the powering it up would be on the next video. Yep.
Okay.
Okay, good.
So now we're going to connect the USB cable. You'll notice there's two ends, a rectangular end and a square end with two little bevel cuts here. This is a typical printer cable, by the way, printer USB cable. So we're going to plug the square one over here with the bevels to the top, right there. Yay. And because most people are right-handed, they're going to have the generator and the remote on the right-hand side of the laptop. In order to keep it clutter-free of cables, we're going to use the left port on the Dell. I'm going to plug it in right here, and we're going to hear a little beep. There it goes. And basically, this part's ready to go. The last thing that we're going to connect are the different viaDNA components here, the remote components. We're going to hook up the Y splitter. This will work with any Spooky2 generator. You have to align the little cuts here directly with the nubs, and it should slide straight in, and then we rotate the collars to lock it in.
To the right. Okay.
Yeah, clockwise. Same story with the BNC cable. Gonna plug it in and rotate to the right or clockwise. Same thing here with
Was
the
there
other.
a click on that one?
Yeah, there's a little
Okay.
click. Sometimes they're
You
a little
can
bit
kind of
faint.
feel it, yeah.
You can feel it. Plug it in.
Push it while you
Rotate.
push it at the same time
Yeah.
you rotate, yeah.
Okay, and then so here's the vial of blood that you've already collected. That's the object of another video. And you're going to put it in here. And eventually you're going to start the Spooky program over here at the Dell and run your frequency protocols. And again, that's another video.
That's it.
So this basically is how you set up an XM generator, a single XM generator. Thank you very much. God bless you.